welcome to my channel. In this class we are going to learn which are the important algebraic identities and how to remember easily those identities. So first they given a plus b whole square, here it is a minus b whole square. So both the case, here it is plus, here it is minus. So that is the point you have to keep in your mind. So in RHS, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here also a square plus b square minus 2ab. If it is comes here minus, you have to place it a minus here. If it is plus comes, you have to place a plus. That's all. So next it is a square minus b square. So 2 times we have to write a minus b one time and its opposite a plus b. So a plus b into a minus b. You can write first if you want a minus b only, you can write afterwards a plus b. Choice is yours, however you want, you can remember. Next, x plus a into x plus b. First it is, so x into x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So simply you can observe, here it is x power 2, here it is 1, then here it is 0 x power. So it means, then one more thing, here it is plus, you have to remove the plus sign. So you will get it here AB. Like that you can remember. Next it is fifth identity, a plus b whole cube and also a minus b whole cube. Both the case it is cube number. Only the changes is, here it is plus, here it is minus. Then a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Here also see a cube, b cube, 3ab, ab. Same, if it is minus comes in all the cases minus. If it is plus comes in all the cases, you will write a plus. So if you remember one thing, it is easy to write other one. Plus comes, you will write a plus. Minus comes, you will write a minus. That's all. Next, a cube plus b cube. Then this is, observe here, this is all cube. This is, we are saying a cube plus b cube, which is equals to, here it is plus a plus b into a square. If it is comes plus here, you need to make a changes minus ab plus b square. Same thing here also, here it is minus, you will write a minus. Then a square plus ab plus b square. If it is minus comes here, you need to make it a changes here plus. So that is a changes. Here it is simple. If it is plus comes, you will make a changes minus. If it is minus comes, you will make a changes here plus. So in both the cases, same thing. Only the sign are different, that you need to observe. Next, last identity, x plus y plus z whole square. Instead of x, y, z, you can take a b, c also, no problem. So, x plus y plus z. First, you have to write x square plus y square plus z square. Afterwards, 2xy, 2xy, 2yz, y in the cases. Next, plus 2zx. It is a continuity. You can observe here x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy. xy after yz. yz after zx. It's very simple. This is the way you have to remember the algebraic identity easily. These are the major important identities you have to remember. If you remember this identities, maximum enough to solve a problems. If you like a video, press like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.